Welcome to Rouse Trucking. This is a different camera angle. Decided to change it up a little bit. You let me know where you would like to have the camera, and I will try to make it work if I can. Here I just put on my Blue Parrot headset because driving a truck, you cannot have a phone to your ear. I use Blue Parrot at the moment. Now, I am driving an auto shift transmission, so I can only put it in D. I wish I did this before I had my 13 so you can actually see me change gears. But here is a different camera angle of me driving a truck. I'm at a small truck stop in South Carolina, headed westbound on I-20. As you can see, here I am leaving a truck stop, making a couple less to get on the interstate. Now, where would you like to have the camera pointed? Because I will do different. I'll try to mixing it up some. This is like you're standing over my shoulder watching me drive, how I drive. Now, be careful of the tape ahead of me because that cabinet latch just broke. So I have it taped close and nothing falls on my head if I hit a hard bump. But I am also drinking Monster energy drink since I don't do coffee. Hopefully you all have a safe July 4th week. Be careful, there will be a lot of people out on the highways and byways this year traveling. Watch out for drinking and driving. Be careful of families. And if you are home for July 4th and you decided to shoot fireworks, please do it safe. Do not drink and drive. Be safe around fireworks. Be safe around pools. This is my little 2-second safety Sally comment. Be safe. July 4th is coming up this week. Now everyone, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel. It's that big red button that says subscribe. Turn the notification bell on because I will upload videos of different aspects of driving a truck, NASCAR talk, and of course my live network streams where I help you grow. So you all be safe this week. It's July 4th coming up. Thank you everyone for following me on my journey down the highways, up the byways, and helping you grow. Thank you all. Have a blessed week. And please follow me on Facebook and Twitter at Rouse Trucking also because I share my videos there. You all have a great week. Be safe. Have a great day.